Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Chris with Books to the Beat, Read and Move Together. I have another book to read to you today. It's a story about a little blue bird and his friends. One day, Bird is playing catch with his friend and he gets bonked in the head and he starts to cry. And we're going to find out what happens after he starts to cry. Boo Hoo Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Let's see what happens. Bird and Raccoon were enjoying a game of catch when Bird got bonked on the head. Ooh, that looked like it hurt. Ouch, moaned Bird. That hurt a lot. He started to cry. Do you think you'd cry if you got hit on the head with a ball? I do too. Oh no, said Raccoon, I've wounded Bird. Here, I'll kiss it better. Raccoon kissed Bird's bonk. Bird kept crying. It still hurts. Oh, I'm sorry, Raccoon, said Raccoon. Let's see if Rabbit can help. I'm sure he's sorry. He didn't mean to hit him in the head. Raccoon told Rabbit what happened. Poor Bird, said Rabbit. Would a hug help? Rabbit gave Bird a hug. Bird cried some more. It's not helping. Oh, let's go find Beaver, said Rabbit. He'll know what to do. Oh, good, that's a good idea. Looks like Bird has a lot of friends. What you need is a cookie, said Beaver. You can fix any problem with a cookie. Beaver gave Bird a cookie. Bird cried louder. I think I'm getting dizzy. Oh, lots of sheep. What to do? Said Beaver. She's full of ideas. Good idea to go to sheep. Beaver showed Bird's boo-boo to sheep. How about a game of hide and seek? Suggested Sheep. The animals ran and hid. You want me to hide? Wailed Bird. I can hardly walk. Oh, surely Fox can make you feel better, said Sheep. He's clever. I hope Fox is clever. There he is. Bird got bonked on the head, Sheep told Fox. He's quite upset. What you need is a Band-Aid, said Fox. He disappeared into his den and came back. Band-Aids always make my boo-boos feel better. Fox put the Band-Aid on Bird's head. I would think a Band-Aid would make you feel much better, don't you? The Band-Aid isn't working! Boo! Cried Bird. Dear me, nothing seems to be working. Boo-hoo-hoo! Cried Bird's friends all together. His friends are crying. Nothing's making Bird feel better. Oh my, this is getting serious. Bird looked at his friends. He felt his bonk. It didn't really hurt anymore. I think I'm okay now. But his friends couldn't hear him. They were all crying. Oh dear. This has really gone too far. Now everyone's upset. I said, I feel better now, shouted Bird. Oh, I guess he must feel better now. See? Bird stood on his head. Oh, that's a good idea, isn't it, to stand on your head? I guess he really does feel better. Oh, you're so silly, all his friends said. They laughed and stood on their heads, too. Come on, said Bird. Let's play catch. Oh, dear. Let's play catch? That's what started this whole thing in the first place. He got bonked in the head. You don't think that's going to happen, do you? Well, let's find out. Bonk. Oh, dear. What do you think is going to happen now? That's the end of the story. Bird got bonked in the head again. Do you think that he's just going to cry and cry and cry and make his friends feel upset and try to help him? Maybe. Or maybe he'll cry because it hurt, and then his friends will help him, maybe a Band-Aid or a cookie, and then he'll feel better. It won't take so long, and he won't upset his friends so much. I hope so. I like that story. Now, I have something that I want you to look at. This is a ball. I made it myself. I made it from newspaper. And I took the paper and I scrunched it all up. You can take any kind of paper that you want. You can take Christmas wrapping. You can take brown coloring paper. You can take any kind of paper that you want. And then what you do is to hold it together, you have to put masking tape or any kind of tape on it. Just tie it up with your masking tape so it doesn't fall apart. And there you go. And then you put your name on it. You write your name right here, anywhere that you want on the tape, because in case your brothers and sisters make balls too, which would be a great idea, and your mom and dad, then they'll know where their ball is if it gets lost. In fact, the first game we're going to play with this ball is we're going to hide it. You could have your mom or dad hide it. One of you could hide it, one of your family members, one of your brothers or sisters. Hide all the balls, and then you have to go find it. I wonder who could be the first one to find their ball. But you know what? Be careful, because it's not your ball unless your name is on it. Remember that, okay? It's like hide and seek with a ball. The other things you can do, what? Yes, you're right. You can toss the ball. I like to toss and catch. And sometimes I like to just throw it. Or throw it behind me. Or throw it really high. Or I like to throw it to a friend. I also like to kick it with my foot. There's lots of things, as you know, that you can do with a ball. And if you make your own, it makes it really, really special. So have fun. And that was our story for today and our activity. I'll see you again next time. This is Miss Chris from Books to the Beat, reading and moving together. Bye. Have a good day.